Good morning, Kevin.
Hey, Earl, great to see you as always.
Absolutely, my friend. Another wonderful Monday, the last one of June.
I cannot believe June is almost over already.
Man, this year as a whole has just ran by extremely fast. A lot faster than I wanted it to. But
Yep.
yeah,
Feels like the older we get, the faster the days and the months and the years go by.
that's for sure. Because these birthdays keep adding up, like it's doubling almost. I don't know what happened, but
Yeah, man. Well, hey, I always look forward to our chats every Monday and really look forward to hearing what the market's doing. I love the statistics. So I guess maybe why don't you start out with where things are.
yeah, sure. So here in the Greater Hampton Roads area, every week I usually run numbers tests, and that's based upon either it's single family homes, condos, townhomes. So it's not so much multifamily homes or anything like that. It's just the initial residential style homes. That's the Greater Hampton Roads area. Right now, as of this week, the number of new listings we have is 2,190, which is not bad. I know a lot of people are thinking to themselves, where are those 2,100 new listings? Because we haven't seen them. But,
Yeah,
for the
question.
month, year to date, that's where we are. The current active listings that we have are 2,846. So just a little bit under 600 more active listings than new listings, which may kind of confuse people a little bit. But it's a collaborative total of everything we had from the year to date up to this point.
hmm
Um, and the surprising number that I've been looking at though is that months of inventory. If you guys remember when we started off the beginning of the month started off like 5 months of inventory. So it looked almost like, hey, we're in a balanced market. It's not buyers, not seller. But like you and I were talking about before, Kevin, before we came on, right around Memorial Day, people just kind of, fell off the map or just paused their home search or selling per se, at least from our standpoints. Um, but as of today, looks like we're back in a savage, and I'm going to use the words that Housing Wire use, a savagely active seller's market with only 2 months of supply on the actual books. And lastly, the number of sales for the month as of today, 1,562. So that's still a great number of sales to say that we don't have the inventory.
Yeah, you hear when you say 2,846 active listings, like you think, oh my gosh, there's tons of stuff out there to look at. And, it's just crazy the reality of it when you're out there trying to find that house.
Yes, it's definitely on the buyer side. It's tough. I mean, I have clients that are buyers and sellers. If you're a seller, you're loving it. If you're a buyer, it's always a 12-round fight.
Yeah, man. And a thing that folks talk about a lot, or at least you hear on the news a lot, is values. You know, of, 2 years ago, people were saying, "Oh, I'm not buying now. Prices are too high, and mortgage rates went up to 3.5." Now, even then there were experts on TV saying, "Oh, it's too expensive to buy. Prices are coming down." Prices didn't come down. They're not coming down. But recently, we've been hearing about the median home price coming down.
Right.
Not sure if you can see this, hopefully.
Yeah.
But the median home price really isn't necessarily a factor of home appreciation as much as what houses are selling. So this is a pretty cool example here. For you, if you look at 2022 versus 2023 here, you'll see an appreciation rate of 6% for these example homes here. But let's say only homes 1, 2, and 3 actually sold. Let's just say homes at the higher price point didn't sell. So you would see prices actually going up for all of the houses, but the median home price went down 13% because the median price just means half of the houses that sold were more expensive, half were less expensive. It's not the average, it's just the half and half. So when we're hearing on the news, oh, the median home price came down, the median home price is down, that doesn't mean values are coming down. It doesn't mean there's less appreciation or depreciation. It's probably just a different mix of what homes have sold. So I guess kind of my point is you can make numbers often say whatever message you want to try to say, but at the end of the day, home prices are solid and appreciating, probably at normal and healthy levels. Would you agree?
I completely agree. And that's the thing I've been telling all clients, friends, family, the whole nine. When you look at a comparison from this year versus last year, yeah, it doesn't compare. We had astronomical double-digit gains. That doesn't happen. We're coming out of a pandemic. You had abnormal numbers here and there, but 6% is actually great for appreciation. That's like freaking awesome. I mean, that's,
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, and not every place has 6%. That was just kind of an example.
Yeah.
But, even if you're consistently 2 to 4%, that's significant.
Yeah, and that was something I touched on maybe a few weeks back too. Like you said, right about 5.5%. I think Richmond, our northern neighbor, was number 2 in the country for appreciation. So
Wow.
that's one thing people have to understand too. The real estate market is localized. The national news that you see, they do not speak to your neighborhood. The only way you're able to get that information is reaching out, touching base with a real estate professional that's able to really deep dive in on your local market.
Hey, if they wanted to talk to a real estate professional, who would they call? How would they call that person?
Well, they can definitely always give me a call at 757-871-4167, and I'll be more than happy to assist. If I can, I have a team of lovely agents who are also always ready to hop right in and assist as well. But if they're looking for a lender, Kevin, how do they find the best lender in town?
They can hop onto loanswithkevin.com or give me a shout at the office, 757-645-0196. Happy to help, happy to answer questions, and really just kind of happy to help plan what to expect in the mortgage and home purchase process.
Sounds good, my friend. Well, as you know, always a pleasure. Next Monday is actually the holiday week. How is the banking system working for next week? Being the holiday is Tuesday. Are you guys kind of closed Monday, Tuesday, or in mortgages? Or
probably. We'll definitely be closed Tuesday. I'm not sure if Monday counts. Great question. I haven't looked that far ahead yet. I'm still dealing with the end of June.
Right. I'm with you, man. But look, as always, it's a pleasure. Whether we see you guys next Monday or next Wednesday, we'll be back to see you then.
Great.
All right. Have a great week, Kevin.
You too, Earl.